Hello guys, my name is Omid. Welcome to my another tutorial videos about OBS. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your webcam as circle. It looks very professional and I try to show it very quickly. Let's go. Okay guys, let's start together. We should prepare a circle in dimension of 1080 in 1080. Okay, it should be, for example, black color, and just keep it and go to your OBS setting. In your webcam video capture device, just have a right click and go to filters here and effects filter to your webcam. Okay, press plus button and here select image mask. Okay, now give it a name. By default, okay, it's good. Then select your circle, browse on desktop. Okay, it's very nice. And here it's very important to set its type to alpha mask, alpha channel. Okay, it's done, and close it. As you can see, my webcam in OBS is like a good and professional circle. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Just remember to subscribe my channel and leave your beautiful comments. Thank you.